I'm live. Hi guys, how are you? Mm-hmm. Cool. Let's have a look at what we have here. Ooh. Okay. So what do we have here? What do we have here? Pretty interesting. Okay. Mm-mm. So this is the US 500 over the S&P 500. If you can hear me, please type yes on the chat. All right, so this is the 30-minute chart. Let's go to the hourly. I'm looking at the Dow, possible Dow, and possible S&P 500 shorts. Now let me tell you what I'm going to do. Yeah, markets are a little bit dry today. Uh-huh. So this is my thought process on this on the S&P 500. I really need a rally towards that 3800 level for me to go short here. I have my risk calculated already. So let's have a look at my S&P 500 shorts. Short idea. Hmm. S&P 500. Gold. Gold had a pretty quick move to the upside. I'm not looking to trade gold today, guys. Yeah, pretty much not looking at that. So I am, however, going to see what this brings. I do have a sell limit in place. Um, Here in the S&P 500, it's a pretty cool sell limit. The market opens in 12 minutes, and I haven't placed that one yet. But I am looking at a rally towards the 3800 level for shorts, mate. For shorts, definitely short in this market. Not looking to buy at all. So what I'm looking at, this is the hourly chart. These are the two levels I'm looking at. The previous lows or yesterday's lows that were broken with, right? Yeah, that's right, Samuel. So and these lows right here, this is a very, very important key level in the short term. So what I'm looking at is a rally towards the 3800. Sorry about that. I dropped my laptop and I think I fucked it up because I keep getting that and my battery doesn't charge anymore. But well, it is what it is. I'm gonna have to buy another one. What about your solar? What do you think? I don't know. What do you think about your USD? So I'm looking at this right at a rally at the open towards that level, and it depends. It depends. Right. So there's a couple of things that remove drawings. The Dow. Let's have a look at the Dow on the hourly. Yeah, I mean the Dow has the same key level um, as the S&P 500. Both are looking very good, right? Both are looking very good. Let's calculate from current price action. So that'll be a half of a percent move to the upside or rally, and on the S&P 500, it's a 0.60%. So basically the same. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens at the open. I'm not going to be eager, to take that trade. Actually, I do have a sell calculator on. hmm Right, so this is my level, the 3800 level. So yeah, my preferred market to trade the downside here is the S&P 500. So why don't we have a Q&A whilst we wait for the market open? Anything you want to know? Now is the time, my friends. Now is the time. Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna wait for it's we are 8 minutes away from the market open. The opening bell. I'm still holding my CAD yen. If there's a VIP here, if you are asking, I'm still holding my CAD yen. Oh, self stops. I'm sorry. So what's up? What's up? Yeah, I don't like the Nasdaq. I mean, I don't like the Nasdaq. I think the play on the Nasdaq already happened, if you know. But because if you look at this high right here, it is the high. I'm looking at the S&P 500, right? On Nasdaq, that play already happened. So I'm not looking at the Nasdaq for possible shorts. Just yeah, the spoon, the S&P 500, and the Dow. Let's wait and see what happens. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm super tired. Right, so 7 minutes until the market opens. People, what's up? What's up, people? All right. I'm still holding those cat yen sell stops. Looking pretty good. Still looking pretty good. I mean, that 105.58 level, it's really hard on sellers. Now, let's have a quick look at the Japanese yen before we go any further. So the Japanese yen is still trading above that zone that I pointed out. Anything above this zone to me is very bullish, which is why I'm looking to short that market on the on the Japanese yen. Shorting the Canadian. A rally here is going to definitely trigger me short and make me money. Gold. Yeah, I'm not looking to trade gold at all. Maybe to the long side. Have a look at this on the 5 minute. I mean, what I dig about it, I mean, buyers are in control of this market short term, right? Just don't like it. I don't have a setup right now to buy into this, and I'm not looking at all at a trading gold. Already made money trading gold today. I'm not going to give it away. Who's a good boy? Yeah, I'm thinking Dow shorts too. I was like I was telling you all, I'm thinking Dow shorts, but I like the S&P 500 better. Just the daily highs and lows, mate. That's the indicator. Let's wait and see what happens. We are 5 minutes away until the market opens. That's it. Let's wait and see. Yeah, I need a rally, so a 15-minute candle. I'm sorry, the 15-minute chart. Yes, I mean, this is the level that I'm looking to short. I want to see the market open, that volume going up, then a rejection. And I'm going to be quick with that because of, yeah, because of high volume. So, this definitely won't be a VIP signal. It's just going to be a live trade with me. It's impossible to give a signal whilst trading the New York Open, right? So, um, if you don't want to miss my New York Open trades, just make sure to tune into my shows because I'm not sending any fucking signals. It's too much of a hassle. Right, 2 minutes away. Let's have a look. 2.5 minutes away. The casino opens. Pum, 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 pum. Hey, here. Man, we got good boy. My dog is here. Yeah, I haven't placed any order yet. I mean, definitely haven't placed any order yet. I'm gonna trade manually. That's possible. That possible, setup. Yeah. Because the thing is that I could play some sell stops here, right? I could play some sell stops, sell stops at the level with my stop losses, above the highs and targets all the way down here. Give me a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade, right? But I don't know. I mean, I have no idea if buyers are going to be strong enough to sweep all the sell orders that are in place here. I have no clue. So I'm going to guide myself by momentum and the price action at the open because yeah, if I see buying volume being very aggressive around the 3800 level, if we get there, of course, then I'm not gonna trade it. That's as simple as that. 0.5%. Boom. So here it is, the cell calculator. Let's have a look. Boom. All right. Yeah. All right. So less than a minute till the market opens. 30 seconds till the casino opens. I'm gonna go to the 3-minute chart. Just look at quickly the volume that we get in. There you go, my friends. If we get some selling volume, I'm not going to get involved. Have a, I mean, if blim, 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 10 seconds. 10 seconds, guys. Mm-hmm. Boom, the market has opened. The market is open right now. Let's have a look what happens. Nasdaq showing buying volume at the open. Buying volume at the open. Not too much. Well, buying volume at the open. Let's wait and see what happens. Not too volatile. Let's have a look at gold. Not too volatile either. But the market that I'm interested in is the S&P 500. So on my MT4, I'm looking, yes, there you go. Buying volume at the open, as expected. Now let's have a look at what happens here. Now, the key level that buyers need to break in order to test my zone is these previous highs. I am not short in these previous highs. That is not a setup that I like. I oh, if I am to short a market is on the previous broken lows, not the previous lower highs. That is just a rule that I have. If the market doesn't get to my entry, well, I don't take the trade. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. The CAD yen, whoa, the CAD yen moving down. I got a little entry. This is the CAD yen. I got a little entry at the 105.60 level, just just because yeah, I saw that big that big zone being being filled with sales. All right, so looks like we're not going to get there. That's a bummer. That's a real bummer. All right. So, but not. The, I mean, uh, this is still my no trade range, right? This is still my no trade range right here. So, yeah, unless price breaks with the lows, my trade idea is gone, right? Buyers still could go. Sellers still could push price down to the 3760 level, and buyers take control towards that 3800 level. Just swiping all stop losses here from weak shorts. Who knows, right? That's just an idea. About to get trigger short on the CAD yen, trigger short on the CAD yen. That's a cool one. I'm up on the CAD yen about $500 since I got triggered since I got this short right. That is a VIP trade. If you want to be part of the VIP, if you want to be part of the VIP, mate, just have a look uh, at the link below this video, and if you use the code June 2022, you get 25% off. Right. Wow. Trigger CAD yen short. Right. So this is amazing. Amazing trade on the CAD yen. I'm gonna show you. This is my CAD yen trade idea on the hour. Right. I got trigger short. This is pretty cool. We keep making lower, higher, lower daily lows. The Japanese yen must be rallying. Yep, it is rallying. The Japanese yen is rallying. Everything is pointing out at a great trade here on the Japanese yen side. Holding that one. Let's have a gold, shall we? Little bit of gold traders here. Yep, I thought so. I thought buyers were still in control of this market, and they are still in control of this market. This dip buy was too much of an aggro entry for me, so I wasn't going to take it. Not planning on any gold trade. I'm sorry, any gold trades. There you go. On the 5 minute chart, pretty non-directional price action on the 5 minute chart on the first 5 minutes of trading in the New York session. Um, yeah. So that's about it. Um, Not too much going on, guys. I'm not gonna say here if there's absolutely nothing going on. Look at the US30. The US30 really cracked with the lows, right? The S&P 500 is the one that I'm actually going. You know what? I'll probably trade the downside here at the break of the new lows just to make sure that oh boy, that I get the right risk to reward ratio. Maybe. Yeah, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. 1.8. Probably taking this one. Yep. Probably taking this one. I don't know yet. I just don't like price action inside of this channel. At the moment I have two trades open. Two positions open, three trades. One in the one in Bitcoin, still holding this Bitcoin shorts from the London Open. Just the last portion of that trade, and the CAD yen. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna trade. I'm not gonna trade the break of the daily lows. I really want. I'm gonna stick with my trade idea, which is a rally towards that previous broken lows, a rejection, and then a dump because of the risk to reward ratio on this trade. This trade is phenomenal risk to reward wise, in the sense that I would be taking that short at the retest of this level with stop losses above today's highs and of course targets here for a 3.5 R. That is the trade I want. That is the only trade I want, and that's it. I'm keeping it tight, mate. Tight. You should keep it tight too, in the sense that that was my trade idea. I am only taking part of, or I am only getting involved in this market if my trade idea plays out. Those are my rules, man. And I just hate the risk to reward ratio on this possible break of the daily lows. But I mean, if that is what you trade, more power to you. I'm just pretty happy with the positions that I'm holding at the moment. That's it. For me, let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq shorts. Yeah, the Nasdaq. Oh boy, the Nasdaq really did play out my trade idea. Well, fuck. Yeah. Um, I screwed up. Mm-mm. I really screwed up here on the previous daily lows. I misread my chart. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I was looking at these lows. Well, it happens, you know. Damn it. All right, so I misread my chart here. Wow, this could have been a great risk to reward ratio trade. Let's have a look at targets. Oh, here. Oh boy, did I fucked up. It happens, you know. Sometimes it happens. This position could have yield a nice. Wow, a nice 5R. Damn it. Well, you know, it happens. I'm not getting involved in that market, S&P 500. At the lows of the range, not getting involved in this market either, because what I need is the retest of the previous lows, the previous day's lows, which the Nasdaq really did retest and reject. So my entry would have been on the 3 minute chart, perhaps at the close of the 3 minute candle. So my entry would have been at the break of these lows or these lows, depends. It would be in the money by now. So that is something that I miss because I'm doing these shows for you, you know. But that's just the way it goes. Hey, if you want to learn how to trade yourself, there's also the F1 strategy available for you. Um, a pretty cool and powerful strategy that if you I mean if learned with discipline can make you tons of money. So I'm not getting involved in any market today, sadly, guys. The S&P 500. Okay, the S&P 500 at the lows of the day. It's pretty obvious that, sellers are going to break with the daily lows, printing new daily lows. I am not, like I told you, getting involved here at all. Price did not um, play out as I wanted it to play out. I was looking at the wrong market too. Perhaps I should have been looking at the Nasdaq, without, more carefully, right? So that was my bad, you know. But I'm not chasing the market at all. Not chasing the market, and what good riddance to all of those shorts, right? Good fucking riddance. All right, so this was a short stream, you know, right? Short show. I have some stuff to do. Um, it's pretty early here today, around 8 a.m. Have been up since midnight. Um, and Yeah, I wish you guys a good end of day.